Intermediate 4. The influence of architecture on mental health. Architecture is far more than the functional design of buildings. It has a profound psychological impact on the people who inhabit urban spaces. Research in environmental psychology has shown that the layout, lighting, and materials of a structure can significantly influence mood, productivity, and overall well-being. For instance, environments with ample natural light and high ceilings are associated with increased creativity and lower levels of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Conversely, cramped spaces with artificial lighting can lead to feelings and claustrophobia and fatigue. Furthermore, the integration of green spaces within urban architecture, a concept known as biophilic design, is crucial for mental health in crowded cities. Access to plants and water features has been proven to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. On a larger scale, the way cities are planned can either foster community or encourage social isolation. Pedestrian-friendly neighborhoods with public squares promote social interaction and sense of belonging. As we continue to urbanize, architects and city planners must prioritize human-centric design. Creating spaces that nourish the soul is just as important as ensuring structural integrity. After all, the buildings we create eventually shape the way we live and think.